Hello everyone, I'm Liesje Monger and I'm leading the Wageningen Biodiversity Initiative. And together with Janelle, I'm delivering the Mansholt Lecture this year.
Our food systems are a major cause of biodiversity loss. They're also a major driver of climate change. But here at Wageningen University and Research, we believe that they could be a major opportunity to put us into a prosperous future, one that is nature positive, net zero and good for everyone.
We have worked on developing pathways towards a nature positive future. And with we, I do not only mean Jean and myself, but more than 150 colleagues from WUR have contributed to developing tangible steps into a nature positive future.
And with our scientists, we saw so many different ideas, initiatives, innovations that are coming out to work towards these nature positive futures. We call these positive seeds of change, and we ask you to come and join us to listen to some of these seeds with the Commission, industry and other stakeholders. Please join us to see how you can take tangible steps towards these nature positive futures on Wednesday, the 28th of September. I hope to see you there.